Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful tool for project management and collaboration. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I've found it to be an incredibly versatile and user-friendly tool. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how many sheets can you have in Smartsheet? But before I do that, I want to give you a quick overview of what Smartsheet is and how it can be used. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and manage spreadsheets, tasks, projects, and workflows. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to track progress, collaborate on projects, and get work done. How can Smartsheet be used? There are many different ways that Smartsheet can be used. Here are a few examples. Project management. You can use Smartsheet to create project plans, track progress, and assign tasks to team members. Task management. You can use Smartsheet to create to-do lists, track your progress, and set deadlines. Workflow management. You can use Smartsheet to automate workflows and streamline processes. Collaboration. You can use Smartsheet to share information with team members, collaborate on projects, and get feedback. How many sheets can you have in Smartsheet? Now, let's get to the question that you're probably here for. How many sheets can you have in Smartsheet? The answer to this question depends on your subscription plan. There are 3 different subscription plans available. Individual. The individual plan allows you to have up to 3 sheets. Team. The team plan allows you to have up to 20 sheets. Enterprise. The enterprise plan allows you to have an unlimited number of sheets. In addition to the number of sheets, the subscription plan also determines the number of users that can access your sheets. The individual plan allows you to have up to 2 users, the team plan allows you to have up to 10 users, and the enterprise plan allows you to have an unlimited number of users. How to choose the right subscription plan. If you're not sure which subscription plan is right for you, here are a few things to consider. How many sheets do you need? How many users will be accessing your sheets? What features do you need? If you're just getting started with Smartsheet, I recommend starting with the individual plan. You can always upgrade to a higher plan later if you need more sheets or users. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Smartsheet. Use templates. Smartsheet has a number of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Learn keyboard shortcuts. There are a number of keyboard shortcuts that can help you work more efficiently in Smartsheet. Use the Smartsheet Help Center. The Smartsheet Help Center is a great resource for learning more about how to use Smartsheet. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Smartsheeting.